Hey guys, so today we're going to Trax. It's so early. I mean, what we on now? I can't even take steering lock off at the minute. We're on 4:57. So I'm gonna try and take the steering lock off. There we go. I've got to go pick my mate up. I'm so tired. I'm so tired, and is that the reflection off my lights? That's mad. Yeah, we're gonna go do Trax. So we'll see how it is. So, pretty much here now, aren't we? There's big aeroplanes over there, but yeah, no.
Big things. Big things.
What was that? Yeah, no, it should be a good day. We've got ticket up in there. We should be good. We should be good. And then we've got the line of minis somewhere. So yeah. Suppose we'll catch up after when we're in. We made it. All the cars there. Well, we're slowly filling in. There's Will. Will's finally here. There's Dan. Slowly getting everyone in. Right. Back forward. Fuck yeah. Well. So we're getting there slowly. Lauren's just parked where she wants. She don't care.
I'm fucking freezing.
It's gone quite cold now, so.
I was trying to keep generations together, but
that would have been too hard, I think. Like, because there's that many different. Because if you were gonna go really strict, you could have done generations, models. Yeah, this is mad. I'm in the way. Where's Will? We need Will. Where's Will? We need to see Will. We've not seen Will today. There's George. He's made it. Look at that. M14 live. He'll break down on the way home. He'll run out of oil or something. Then you got that. Lovely colour. And then we got him. Oh, look at him.
He's there.
Look at him. Yes, he's here.
What do you mean code?
Yeah, you do. We've got presents. I've got one for you.
My car's bad.
Why?
That's why I was late. It's like we're doing about 100 and it made a clonk noise, and now the steering wheel's like everything's fucking shaking.
You wasn't doing 100.
No, 70.
You're doing 70.
Yeah, don't do that.
Well, to tell you the truth, I mean, that is. That's big differences. Let's just have a look at the snail. That's done well.
You don't even have a grill.
Yeah, I don't have a grill at the minute, so yeah. Oh well. There's Will. Did you hit a bird or something?
Oh, what is it? Spaff. Oh, it's a feather, man.
There's one down there as well.
I mean, there was shitloads of feathers all over the fucking thing.
Oh, hit a bird.
Like them now. Rather than the four.
well, it comes in as a mini.
I'd use some of them, but blue.
Hello.
Hello?
They're through indoors power.
Hey guys, mini bits.
Where's the mini?
From Mini Bitz.
Mini's there. I recognise that mini. Don't know whose it is, but I recognise it.
Let's go have a look. Oh, there's
go
a
have a
green
look.
mini over there.
Wait, where?
That's Luke Walker, I think.
Oh,
look,
it
mini
is.
over there.
There's minis everywhere.
Stop jizzing.
Oh, that's great. Yes. Come on.
Rip the handbrake. Don't like that.
Oh, you got. Hey, Ant. Found your first car.
I love it. I love this. This is amazing. I would have one of these.
I wouldn't personally do that.
I would. I think that's cool.
Mini.
Yeah, that mini's quite nice.
It's better than a monster truck, isn't it, pal?
Yeah.
Details.
What? Cool. Cool. There's another mini there. Look at the mini. Look, oh, sorry. There's a mini. Look at it. Look at it. That's beautiful.
It's close enough.
Yes. Yeah.
Lauren, get the kit out.
Well. What's that? Look.
Supra or S2K?
Both.
Which one then?
The Supra.
Have you seen all the chrome on that car there?
That's that stupid 1,000 horsepower one.
Yeah, I know, he's mad in it. And Rocco. Straight back.
Diesel wet.
That Supra. I know, it's like 1,000 brake.
Oh, that S2K though.
Isn't that?
Gives it away, doesn't it?
That S2K is.
George still got his Volkswagen hoodie on.
Lauren, who have we found?
Lee Lockwood.
He's Lockwood! Found him! Oh! How you doing, man? Not bad, you? Not bad. Sorry, my hands are all
That's my friend
clammy.
that really wanted to meet you.
Yeah. Honestly, the wrap in person is a lot cleaner on it. It's very nice.
Stories behind.
No, get it off me. Torrin.
Can you do an impression of that for us, Andy? Hey, Lauren.
Hey. Just checking the ground.
Look at these new bags. You're all excited.
On a scale of 1 to 10, Kenzie, how do you like your new bag?
My bag's very nice.
Mine's better.
I like
We're twinning now. Shoes.
twinning, shoes, everything. Well, mine goes
And
with
bags.
mine goes with my harnesses.
You want harness?
My harness. So you do. Oh, crap. Hi.
Hey, Anne.
I'm going to give you the chance to think about it. Good morning,
Hi,
good
what's
morning.
fun?
How are you? Now, mate, we're talking about the
Hi.
challenge. Let's stand this way so we can get my phone on the side.
Long walk to freedom.
Are you having fun today?
Lots of fun.
It looks like it.
Shut the fuck up. Come on, sing again then. Sing again. Sing it. Sing it. Sing it. Don't it, Lauren? That's really nice. What? This smacking one. Smacking one.
Fuck off, well. You're getting the input.
Bondage. OnlyFans.
Oh God. Torrin, are you enjoying it today?
That might be over.
Lauren, are you having a good time? We're not doing much, we're literally sat here because there've been people on track again. I don't know what he's doing.
Where's your ex?
It's not bad. It's not bad. It's clearing up a bit. We've had a bit of sun. There's Ant.
If you don't put nothing now.
So I finally got my bag to go with the harnesses. That's literally the only reason I got that.
That's so nice to your parents.
Oh, he's falling over. I don't know what's happening here.
He's got it. He hasn't got it.
It's just. G7X Zoom live.
That's going on the gram later, that isn't it?
I've just got to say that
Hey, Will.
is taking this head-to-head challenge very, very seriously.
Zoomed in.
Because we're now looking, the guys are prepping their
Yeah, I am. So, we're just getting thumbnail photos. We've already got a couple in front of them. So, we're going to get one in front of this one.
Behind the scenes, yo.
Behind the scenes.
Gang gang.
It's not behind the scenes at all. Yeah. See what we'll come out with.
Look into each other's eyes. Into each other's eyes.
You want the whole plate? Right, well, I've got F8 out.
Each other's eyes, please. Look into each other's eyes. Please look into each other's eyes. Will, stare at the man. No! No! It was going to be so much better. This is the person who won't be nice and won't do anything for the vlog because he's a bitch.
That's bullshit. I've laid on the floor 3 times. Jesus Christ.
Wow. That was,
Captain Dick Knob.
mate, I've been going for 1 minute 37.
Woo! You sun creaming up. I'm surprised I've not burnt yet.
Well, I don't plan to.
Well, I'm ginger, so I probably am at some point. Then again, it's not that sunny, but you know. Oh, hey. It's my guy right here.
Mini Bitz.
Family. I love this guy. He's amazing.
I love you too, Captain.
Oh, too kind. Them pops from the RS are ridiculous. I don't know. Oh my god, these big steps. Wait, why is Dan's plate upside down? Oh, it's upside down.
Yeah, there's something to wear on this.
This is literally it. For God's sake. I mean, there's a bit over there and a bit that way, but honestly, I don't know if we're allowed up here. But you gotta do it for the video. You gotta do it for the video. I kind of want to go over to the RS. Getting stuff for the video. Oh my god, that's so close. It's changed so much since last time I saw it. Very nice. Very nice. Look at that tips. Some big tips. There's got the diamond cross.
Jamie FYD boy. I've met him, you know.
Yeah. No, that's Richard's car, but he knows FYD.
Yeah, there's lucky.
Where? Where is it? Oh, he's sat in his car.
He got dead excited when he shook his hand.
Yeah.
Can you do me a favour?
What?